This video shows some real life examples of when you should be choosing a specific lane. So sometimes you'll have more than one lane that turns in the same direction, and that will be a normal driving lane and overtaking lanes. So as we turn left at the roundabout here, we're going to start positioning to the right because we're not turning left at the next set of traffic lights. But if you look ahead, this lane is going to split into two. So I'm going to position to the left of the two, so the centre lane behind the silver car. There are two lanes here that turn right. I don't want to overtake anything, so I'm going to position into this lane, which is the normal driving lane. As you can see in this clip, we're in the left-hand lane to come around the bend. As we get round here, the left-hand lane splits into two. We're going to keep to the right, so we're now in the centre lane. There are two lanes that turn right, and we're in the left of those two. If we wanted to overtake anything, we would have positioned into the right-hand lane further back. In this clip, we're travelling on a dual carriageway. As you can see, we're positioned into the left-hand lane. We would only be using the right-hand lane if we wanted to overtake anything. Looking ahead, you can see an overhead sign. We're going to need to position into the right-hand lane because we want to head towards Exeter and continue on the dual carriageway. The left-hand lane is now only used to take an exit. In this clip, you can see that there's a lane joining from the left. This is confirmed by the sign. We need to stay in the right-hand lane until we know that it's safe to move back to the left. We can only continue in the right-hand lane if we intend to overtake something. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching. Why not check out some of my other videos, and if you like them, subscribe.